Today we will downgrade our PlayStation Vita to a lower firmware with Modoru. For this you will need a charged and hacked PlayStation Vita with Vita shell. If you have a fat Vita, you will need a memory card. Also download the .pup update file and the Modoru VPK file. I will be downgrading to firmware 1.60 out of curiosity, but you will most likely want firmware 3.60 or 3.65. Finally, if you have IMC unlock, you should uninstall it before beginning. Open Settings, Henkaku Settings, and disable version spoofing, then unlock your memory card. Turn on FTP and Vita shell and transfer Modoru.vpk to your Vita, then install it. After Modoru is installed, reconnect via FTP and put your PSP2 update file in UX0 app Modoru 000. Now we will have to disable all of our plugins. The easiest way to do this is to rename the TIE folders and UR0 and, if applicable, UX0 to TIE.back. Reboot your Vita and do whatever your current firmware requires to reinstall Henkaku. Open Settings, Henkaku Settings, then enable Unsafe Homebrew. Now it's time to launch Modoru and downgrade. If you see this warning, start over from the point where we disabled the plugins and try again. If you see this warning, you cannot downgrade that far. Try a newer firmware. Confirm your current and desired firmwares, then press X. Read the warning and press X again. Modoru will prepare and install your desired firmware and reboot a few times. If your screen goes black after the install, don't worry. Just give it a few minutes, and if nothing happens, hold down the power button until the Vita turns off, then turn it back on. You should now be on your desired firmware. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description.
Now go do it, or I shall taunt you a second time.